So now let's have a quick overview of Cloud Foundry, what it does and what exactly it is. Okay, so it is an open source cloud platform, platform as a service, as we talked in like earlier on what is platform as service and all the advantages of it. It is the same. Cloud Foundry is an open source which often like gives different cloud choices with application services and developer frameworks to the client. It is a method of building, testing, and deploying and scaling the application in an easier and faster way. So the specification and set of the software tools provided by Cloud Foundry, we will be talking about more on it. SAP has applied Foundry on its BTP platform as a next generation platform as a service, platform as service. It is using Cloud Foundry and as a development and runtime environment. So below are Cloud Foundry benefits that it comes with. The language independent. It is you can like select any runtime language and add new languages as you need. Admin separation is there, so separate administrator and developer activities can be separated, and can all the tasks can run in parallel. Standard command line interface is there, so that you can use CLI, which is not only for SAP but other codes also. You can run the commands on through. It is open source, so many companies can contribute towards it and provides new features and can be performed faster. Okay, so this helps on all that fronts. And how Cloud Foundry environment is there for SAP is like the traditional IT managed customer, like all 90 years that we have seen earlier. Here the customer need not to come like in the platform part. You have a runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization services, storage, network. All things are taken care. So based on agility and cost saving, if you see, it is taking much more uh, uh, it is much more on the platform itself. It provides a platform and the customer just need to take care of the applications and data running on it. On the other hand, we have infrastructure as service as well, where middleware, runtime, data and applications are there, that is customer handled. Now let's quickly take a look at what build packs and services it provides. So all changes need to be done with the help of cloud providers. By moving the runtime layer to the cloud, it organization loses the control of the runtime layer. But Cloud Foundry provides runtime control to cloud provider and the organization. A build pack outlines a container for running an application. For example, one build pack runs a Java web application, another can run a Node.js application, and Cloud Foundry proposes several standard build packs. So it has its own um, build packs available, and organizations create the build packs to add new languages, upgrade the latest versions, create a set of standard authorized runtime containers that is checked by IT, and so on and so forth. So Cloud Foundry Services is a software program or set of program which are accessible to multiple runtime environments. Okay, so if you, as you see here below, like runtime and middleware are controlled by admin, and application and data is controlled by the developers. Now, SAP service market space offers number of services in Cloud Foundry for developers, and services contains related SAP related services like HANA, and also multiple software components such as which are running on the third party platform. For example, open connectors, right? So um, as you see here, this is a marketplace, and you can get all the open connectors, job schedulers, or whatever like alert notification can be used from it. Cloud Foundry environment terminologies mainly that you need to be aware of is space. It is an individual working area which contains a single application in the working environment for applications in Cloud Foundry. It describes the maximum allowed consumption quota. Quota is known for allowed consumption of the resources and how much of service plan is allowed to use. Members, when you say members, it is the assigned number of users, one users or more. And then entitlements are the service plans which are entitled to use the provided provisioning of the resources. Then comes services and service plans. So all external dependencies such as database or messaging systems or file systems are services in SAP BTP platform, and multi-tenant application and environments are also considered as services. So each service contains one or more service plans. Okay, service plans represent a cost and benefit for particular service. Database will be configured with various t-shirt sizes, like it can be like with different sizes it can be used. So every service plan comes with the different variety that can be chosen by the client. Now quota plans are distribute the quota for which uh, care allocated to a sub account in the Foundry environment can be handled by creating space quota plans and allocating them to the spaces. Organization is basically an individual or multiple collaborators can own and use it for the development account. All users can use an organization with user accounts contain the roles like manager, organization auditor, billing manager, all that stuff, right? So collaborators is an organization, like in an organization a collaborator can share a resource quota plan or app plans, service availability and customer domains. So this is all we need to know about Cloud Foundry and how it is being used in the BTP. So yeah, stay tuned for some more details. And I think for this one, and that's all we need for the Cloud Foundry use in BTP. Thank you.